1 Minute Danish Lesson 9.
Welcome to 1 Minute Danish. Jeg hedder Karin. I'm Karen, your host and teacher, and I'm here to teach you Danish 1 minute at a time. We're going to spend around a minute learning Danish, and in this lesson we're learning how to ask people how they're feeling. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. A very important question in any language is, how are you? It's really useful to be able to make conversation like this with your Danish-speaking friends and colleagues. Listen to this phrase in Danish. Hvordan har du det? Listen again. Hvordan har du det? Let's try this one more time. Hvordan har du det? Now, let's learn some answers to this question. To say you are feeling well, you can say, jeg har det godt. Try this again. Jeg har det godt. One more time and remember to sound like you mean it. Jeg har det godt. To say you're not feeling good at all, you'd say, jeg har det ikke godt. Repeat this again. Jeg har det ikke godt. One more time. Jeg har det ikke godt. But hopefully you'll be feeling fantastic. To say this in Danish, you could say, jeg har det rigtig godt. Of course, just as in English, there are many ways of saying this, but we'll stick to this one for just now. Try saying, great, again. Jeg har det rigtig godt. One more time. Jeg har det rigtig godt. Okay, let's put this to the test. I'm going to ask you how you're feeling. Hvordan har du det? Hopefully your answer was, jeg har det rigtig godt. Time's up. That's all for this lesson. We really do hope that you've been enjoying these lessons and that you feel you're making progress, even if you're just spending 1 minute each time on your Danish. In fact, it just goes to show what you can achieve in a minute. Don't forget you can get extra materials for the lessons by visiting our website on www.oneminute.languages.com. We'll be back next time with the last lesson in this series. So in the meantime, tak skal du have, og farvel.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.